Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, my name is BECCAxBarbie. Today I am here to do a very quick review on the new BECCAxBarbie Ferreira lip gloss kit. Get these three beautiful lip glosses in here. I purchased this from Ulta for, I think it's about $25. Let me just make sure. And I purchased this from Ulta for $20. And you get three shades in here. You get the shade Sparkled, Foiled, and Faucet. So let's see how they apply. And the first shade I am gonna get into is this beautiful shade Faucet. Really beautiful. And these are the travel size, but they're super beautiful. Wow. Super beautiful. Really lovely. And it's super soft, as all of the BECCA lip glosses are. Next, I'm gonna get into the shade Foiled. And last but not least, we're gonna get into this Sparkle. Really beautiful. I believe this is an absolutely amazing purchase. For $20, you get the three different travel size lip glosses. This is an amazing value. And if there's anything at all that I didn't mention about this new lip gloss set, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, be sure to click my picture right here and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.